This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open the hood, and if you want extra safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Once done, locate the parking light socket behind the headlight assembly or through the wheel well access panel on older Corolla models. Use a small flat tool to remove the cover or liner and push back clips carefully so you do not break plastic. You'll need a 194 W5W bulb ready and gloves on. This prevents oils from shortening bulb life and gives you a better grip. You'll remove the socket by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it free. Do this gently to avoid breaking the housing. Once the socket's out, grasp the bulb and pull straight out. If it's stuck, rock slightly while pulling to free it. Compare the old bulb to your new 194 W5W replacement to confirm size and wattage. Mismatches can damage wiring or burn brighter. Insert the new bulb without touching the glass so oils don't create hot spots. Seat it fully, and twist the socket clockwise to lock it in place. Once the bulb is seated and the socket locked, reconnect the negative battery if you disconnected it and turn on the parking lights to confirm the new lamp works. Make sure the light illuminates steadily. If so, reinstall the access panel or wheel well liner and secure all clips and screws so nothing vibrates loose. If the light fails to come on, check the bulb seating and connector for corrosion, inspect the related fuse, or try swapping bulbs. Note that LED replacements can be polarity sensitive and may need the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.